So one of the problems with the eufy SoloCams are the shorter cables, and a lot of times you need a much longer extension to get the camera where you need it to go. Now this is a 20-foot cable made by Uogw. They did send me this to review, and it does come with the standard wall power adapter. All right, it's got the output and everything right there, just standard 2 amp, 5 volt, type USB type A, I should say, right? And then on this side is the USB type C. And what's really good about this one, it's designed specifically for the eufyCam, the SoloCam S220, 340 or 300. Or 3C maybe. I'm not sure what the 3C is, but that's okay. But it's got this rubber gasket right here. It makes it weather resistant because whenever it plugs in to the camera, it helps create a seal. I don't want to say that it's waterproof or anything like that because I'm not 100% certain if it is. But this side obviously is going to be in a protected area inside the garage, inside your house, what have you. And then 20 foot of cabling, included power supply. I think we all need more of these, right? And then you just need some kind of mounting solution to kind of tuck all of the cabling away. So we've got a couple of these installed throughout the house and 2 in the backyard, one facing the garage, one facing the alley. So we're gonna use this one out in the garage, and I've got a couple of little hooks that we'll hang the wiring from to get it all nice and tucked that away. So thanks to the seller for sending me this cable to review. We're gonna install it right now. I'm sorry, it actually does come, with the installation pieces, right? The pre-nailed clips, right? It's got the little hooks on there. You mount these to the wall, and you kind of tap the nail in a little bit to get it to stick, and it has to break through the plastic on the bottom. It's gonna be really hard to see, it's kind of small. And then you run the cable in it, and then you tap it the rest of the way down. Be very careful with your hammer or mallet or whatever to get it in there. Yeah.